Welcome back my dear friend. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to add someone to a Facebook Messenger group chat. So let's begin. First grab your phone, open the Facebook Messenger application and make sure you can use the latest version of the app. After that find the exact group where if you want to add someone, simply tap on it to open the page. Then click on the info icon top right corner. Once you are in the group settings page, scroll down slowly, find the invite or add someone option, tap on it. After that, select the person if you want to add your group. Once you have successfully select one single person, you can also select multiple person at the same time. After you have successfully selected the people if you want to add your Facebook Messenger group, confirm by tapping the add button top right corner. And right now you have successfully done. To check it work, simply tap on see chat members and you can see all of the group members listed there. Thanks for watching. Take care everyone.